Hello everybody, this is Paul again for On the Airplanes with another update for the Project Lisbon Airport 1/400 scale. On the last video, I was just completing the gray portion of the ramp. I painted it all. I had to do a couple coats to get it all nice and settled. I added the new black areas of the apron, which you see on, this is the new side of Lisbon Umberto Delgado Airport, where they have a side stand for some aircraft and as well Terminal 2. Now, I've really condensed it in my airport because I just don't have the space. This new side stand here can accommodate 5 aircraft. On mine, it's just 2. Again, working in the constraints of my space limitation. And here's Terminal 2. Probably going to just have one gate there, one aircraft, and a little portion of Terminal 2. Then there's the roundabout here. That's for the service road that goes into the infield. Now, last video, I mentioned that I wasn't going to do a proper tunnel because it was just the project seemed pretty tough, but I did manage to figure out a way to do it with the tools that I have. So I do have a nice little tunnel now that goes through the goes under the taxi, the main taxi that goes to runway 03 at Lisbon Airport, comes out the other side to service the infield, just like the actual Lisbon Airport. So I'm really happy how that turned out. I'm trying to make it look like the actual terminal road, just like on Google Earth. And that's been my main reference for this project so far. And also I watch a lot of videos. Some of the best videos actually are from Rui Aguiar. He obviously probably lives in Lisbon or something, but he always has awesome videos of Lisbon Airport, plane spotting. You should check it out. Jose Rui Aguiar, if you can look him up. I think he's Madeira Plane Spotter I think that's his handle on YouTube. But anyway, good videos, good reference for me, and I've really appreciated it. It's helped me out a lot. Anyway, right now I've got the taxi gates started here, the lead-in lines, just the south side for now. I'm having issues with the tape. I'm taping it down to make nice crisp lines, but didn't really work so well here on the black apron parts. And I'm gonna have to find a really good painter's tape to complete this. And up here you're gonna see another black line here. That's the head of stand road at Lisbon's Terminal 1 here. So right now I'm just using generic planes from my collection just to help me figure out spacing and to do my to paint my lines down. Basically, that's basically what they're there for, and then I'll just go from there. So basically right now the goal is to have everything painted up on the ramp, all the lines, taxi lanes, everything, before October, where it gets too cold to paint in here in my shed. And then I'll start working on the terminal stuff, because once I go to hand painting, that's I can do all that stuff from inside, but right now I want to get all the spray paint stuff done in here. But anyway, that's the airport update for now. It's coming along, and I'll be back with another video shortly and see how it's progressing. Thank you for watching. Take care.